I bought this Magcubic HY300 projector for around $50, and years later, I'm still using it. It comes with a basic remote, HDMI, USB, and headphone jack. I mainly use it to watch YouTube videos. I haven't tested it on gaming through the HDMI yet, but I've been impressed with how good it looks for the price. It has a built-in speaker, which is not the greatest, but it works. Here's what it sounds like.
So SmartWings sent me these motorized cellular shades to try out. I've been using it for a few weeks now, so let me show you exactly what they do.
And here's the difference with an external speaker connected. There are also inside blind options for those who want inside blinds. Big upgrade and worth doing if sound matters to you. In a fully dark room, it looks genuinely good. The only downside is it's not bright in any ambient light, so it needs a dark room to shine. I haven't used a premium projector, so I can't compare it to the $300 to $500 range projectors. But if you're not building a home theater and you just want a casual upgrade without overspending, this has worked well for me over the years. Link to the projector is in the description below, and if you want to know how I got my room this dark, SmartWings sent me these blackout blinds that actually keep my room dark like this. Watch this video here to see them.